Welcome inside the Genius Academy community, where I am excited to show you how to build your very own brand and online business that you can make multiple six figures a year, and if not, take it into a multiple $1 million business that you can one day sell and exit into retirement or pass down to your kids or family members for generations to come. And so I'm going to walk you through what you're getting, what's inside. This is meant to be an extremely supportive community that is constantly being updated to really give you a clear path and the support you need to making hundreds of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars selling online. So when you come, you're going to come to this page, you're going to join the group, you're going to give your information. You'll have to put a profile picture, but you can just put any picture in your phone if you're not comfortable showing yourself. And so here is the main community thread that we all have access to. This is where I really want to encourage you to post everything that's going on in your journey. If you're brand new and you don't know anything about selling online, that's okay. Let us know so that we can give you that support and cheer that you need and deserve for taking that step. If you created your first logo and got it approved and you're happy with it, if you found your first product that you're going to sell, started your LLC and got that done, applied to Amazon, started a Facebook business page for your business, tell us where you are. If you have a question, you want validity, is this a good idea? What do you think of this? Right? We are here to support you and validate those answers so that you can feel good moving forward in your online journey, so that we can all get the one thing that we want the most, which is to buy our time back in starting this business so that we can travel and all live the life of freedom that we so deserve and live life how it's meant to be lived. So inside of the classroom, this is what you're going to unlock. This is where it's going to start. The Genius Way ebook starter kit, right? You're not technologically savvy. You don't really know anything about selling online, or you do, but you're not fully sure of the lingo. You've heard about all of these different ways to sell, from retail arbitrage to online arbitrage to wholesaling. All of these e-guides, there's one specific on all of them so that you can understand the lingo. Now, I've personally done every single step of these. And the coup de grace, the holy grail of it, is building your own brand, which is what the key focus is in this community. But we will still always provide support to you if you're actively selling on any of those other avenues. But it's important to go through those e-guides so that you can have a firm understanding and get a good grip before you dive into all these other classrooms. And if you're somebody that's broke, you don't have money to invest, you're struggling, you have a negative bank account balance, the free e-guide that you already got that shows you how to flip free products, you can make an extra couple $1,000s a month to $10,000 to $20,000 a month. I literally know and have close friends that do it. That is a great place to start to completely change your life. And then you can elevate into creating your own brand. So that's where you will start. But inside, you're going to see here, we're going to show you how exactly to set up your own business, me doing it live, real time, so that you don't have to go pay a lawyer to do it. You don't have to go pay LegalZoom.com or any of these other places, all of these extra fees to open your business so that you save money. Me showing you how to apply to Amazon, the answers to the questions, step by step. Here's how to get funding and access to more funding or cash or credit. If you're overseas and you want to sell in America, you can do that. Here's how you get set up with that. We walk you through it. Staying protected, patenting and trademarks for your business so that you have a real value add to your business and protection, and you own the intellectual property that you could sell one day. We're going to show you how to source China and overseas suppliers. Give you another look inside. All of these immersive videos on keyword research, right? We make calculated decisions to mitigate or eliminate absolutely as much risk as possible. And I go over everything step by step in real time. And you just follow and apply these same exact principles to yourself. We show you how to create Amazon listings, how to make sure that they're keyword rich, how to build organic reviews, organic ranking, all immersive inside of my very own Amazon accounts, doing it in real time. You just copy and paste these things, right? How to find winning products, how to use the tools, how to launch your product on Amazon. You could see how immersive this is, step-by-step videos that you can come back to and go into as many times over as you need to. You have infinite access to these. How to showcase your product on Amazon. I got a bunch of extra tools and bonuses, templates to sourcing China, documents and links for discounts, right? Selling on eBay, selling on Walmart, selling on TikTok Shop, creating and selling on Shopify, running Facebook ads. This is an immersive classroom that I'm always going to be updated. I'm currently running multiple 7-figure online businesses. And so I'm always learning. I'm always adapting. I have a whole team at my fingertips. So this is always going to be updated with everything that we are experiencing so that you can get the shortcuts you need. You don't waste the tens. I've literally lost hundreds of thousands of dollars in my 10-year plus journey, trial and error, losing years and years of time and sleep. This is going to tremendously expedite your road to success and give you the support added on top that you need moving forward as you have questions. So you'll have this and we'll always be updating it. And in addition to this, some other bonuses and things that we offer. You guys see, I have my very own warehouse here in Tampa, Florida, and you can start an online business and buy products and never actually have to touch the inventory, right? You can use what's called a 3PL, a third-party logistics company that will take on all of your inventory and they will fulfill all the orders for you. Or Amazon will do all of that for you. Or Walmart will do it for you. And so as a bonus, exclusively to you as a community member, we can take on your inventory and handle the fulfillment. We can handle shipping products into Amazon FBA for you as a courtesy. There's a separate fee to our warehousing fees that are discounted that we'll go over with you. But we can remove the burden of dealing with product if that is something that's a turnoff for you or you just don't want to deal with, so that you can be anywhere in the world and you don't have to worry about shipping and packing an order. We can handle all of that for you. In addition, if you want more of a holding hand, done for you kind of service, we can also get you set up and do the LLC for you. We can build your logo with my graphics team. We can do packaging design for you. We can get the products tested. We'll do all of the sourcing with our suppliers that I've been working with for over literally 18 years in China with, Pakistan, and other places around the world, depending on what your product is that we're going to sell. So we can get it sourced for you. We can handle all the freight shipping and getting it here overseas, your Amazon account set up, Walmart account set up, eBay account set up. We get the trademark filed for you. We'll run a search and vet everything and make sure it's all good. And we will provide that white glove service and basically build this car for you, put the engine in it, and then you just have to start it and turn it on and go ahead and launch it. And so we offer multiple different services if you're looking for higher levels of support inside the Genius Academy for you being an inner circle member. So you are going to get so much support. I'm looking to really impact lives, and I really want to see a lot of collaboration, communication, ask questions that I could answer weekly. We'll also have programs where we can get on one-on-one or group coaching calls as well to answer more of your questions directly and live together as we talk. So I am looking so forward to your online journey. Everyone should be getting a piece of selling online. And I have put together a really detailed map that I think you will thoroughly enjoy, and it will blow you away as we dive into changing your life and getting you the success that you have been looking for. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Let's go.